How did it feel to retire? Oh, I never really thought about it for a long time because education is such a remarkable career. I knew that I wanted to be involved socially. I knew that I still wanted to work, and retirement didn't mean the end of everything. Since I was a child, one of my passions has always been writing. But since I retired, I've had much more time to focus on that. And I'm really excited. My first novel, my debut novel called The Dime Box, is coming out shortly. It's so much fun to write and to bring a character alive. People always say that you write your characters, but that's not true. Your characters actually write you. Come on, come up here. My dog, Ruby, has been with me the whole way. She sits on the computer with me and writes alongside me. She's actually been a wonderful writing companion. For my colleagues who are considering retiring, I would fully recommend reaching out to RTO. Joining RTO is simple. It's a one-step online application, literally 30 seconds and done. There's so many different opportunities for educators to partake in. There's something for everyone.